Welcome to Sankofa Enclave by Akshaya. As you can see, here is an amazing two-family home that features 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths, a rec room, and amazing rooftop terrace. We currently have 6 brand new properties that just hit the market. They are currently in the process of being built. So check out my information down below that will show the addresses of these properties that will be available late spring of this year. This property is amazing. It is beautiful. It is an amazing type of property to add to your portfolio, or maybe as an owner occupant, and then you can rent out the other unit. That is the rooftop terrace and another section where you can easily entertain. So contact me for a showing.